So this must be the island. We better start looking for clues on how to find the secret lab. What's that you saw? A message in a bottle.
Dear whoever is reading this, my name is Dr. Reed, one of the scientists working on a secret project on this island. We are attempting to construct a hydro rocket, a rocket that only needs water to run. As I'm writing this letter, the rest of my team are carrying out their final test. No one is listening to me. The water they are using is not pure. The experiment will fail. Whoever you are, you must have been sent here for a reason, to complete the work we failed. Here's what you have to do. Firstly, find the lab. Secondly, log in to the master computer in the lab. Thirdly, use the video records in the computer to learn about what we did and figure out our mistake. Finally, repair and launch the backup hydro rocket. I'm counting on you.
I know what we have to do. We must find the lab and finish Dr. Reed's work.
2 hours later.
Ooh, what's this? Is this the computer that Dr. Reed mentioned? Let me see what I can get from here. This must be it! The videos have to be in this! Oh no, it looks like I need a PIN code to log into the computer. Let's take a closer look at the clues. Can you guys help me out? Okay, 1003. Now let's see if that works. Yes! I'm in! Now it's time to find the videos. I found them! Okay, first video, play.
This is experiment 736. We have not drunk pure water for 736 days. Today, we are attempting to purify this water that we have been drinking for 736 days. It will take approximately 10 minutes for this water to go to the next level. It has been 10 minutes. The water has now advanced to the next chamber. It will take approximately 10 minutes for this water to go to the next level. It has been 10 minutes. The water has now advanced to the next chamber. After 30 minutes of flowing through the purification chamber, the water has now become 99.998% pure. It is now drinkable.
Okay, now that I've got pure water, how can I make sure it's pure? Maybe this video will be helpful.
This is experiment 137. Today, we will be testing the acidity of water by using purple cabbage juice. Here, we have 3 tests. First is neutral water. Second, we have acidic lemon juice. Thirdly, we have alkaline seashell paste. First test. Second test. Third test.
Now we can try it for ourselves. It just so happens that there are some purple cabbages growing over there. Oh, shiver me timbers, this isn't enough water. I need more. There must be another experiment I can do to get fresh water. Ooh, maybe I can turn the ocean water into pure water. Yes!
This is experiment 582, distillation of salt water. Over here we have a flask and a Bunsen flame. Here we have the distillation apparatus, and here our beaker for collection. We will start by putting salt water into the beaker. We will then take the thermometer off and pour the salt water into the flask. We'll then place the thermometer back on. We'll then turn the tap on to run the water through the apparatus, like this. So now that water is running through the apparatus, we'll put the Bunsen onto a heating flame and place it under the flask like this. Now, as you can see here on the thermometer, the heat of the water is slowly increasing until it will reach boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius.
Two hours later. 2 hours later. 2 hours later. 2 hours later.
As you can see here, small bubbles are forming in the mixture in the flask, which shows that the water is starting to boil as it reaches 100 degrees. Now you can see here that water is running through the apparatus like this, and it will fall into the beaker like that. So this water is now pure and safe to drink and is no longer salt water, which we have here. As time goes on, more and more water will evaporate and then be distilled like this.
2 hours later.
So you can see small droplets of water here, and this water is safe to drink.
Two hours later.
Finally! We have enough water! Now it's time to watch the final experiment video on how to power our rocket with this water.
This is experiment 958. Today we attempt to make hydrogen and oxygen gas to power our rocket. Here is our power supply that provides us electrical energy. This electrical energy is produced by our wind turbine. Here we have a Hoffman voltmeter, and this is what we will use to produce the gas. Power on. Experiment is a success. We can clearly see bubbles being produced.
2 hours later.